Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Now it's a very easy process. What you have to do is firstly open your Cash App, then just simply go to the profile option at the top right hand side corner and scroll down and click on linked banks. Over here choose link debit card, then choose no card. After that wait for a few seconds and right over here just simply click on continue. Now over here, just simply look for Chime. You can even search in the search bar. Then choose the option. Now after that, choose I'm not robot. Now after that, just simply click on continue to login. That will take you to a login page in Chime. Over here, what you have to do is just simply log in with your Chime account ID and password. And once you will do that, you will be able to link both Chime and Cash App. Now, once that process will be complete, all you have to do is just simply go to your Cash App and then you can transfer whatever amount of money you want to transfer from your Cash App to Chime and the other way around as well. You can also transfer money directly from Chime to the Cash App application. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.